If you push forward,
Yeah.
go forward.
Okay.
Back to a slow, don't stop, don't back.
No worries. But there's no need to go backwards, is there?
No,
No.
you don't need it though. So I mean, you can control the speed with your hand though.
Yeah.
If you go forward all the way up,
Yeah.
you are gonna like full speed. Yeah.
Okay. Brilliant.
Push forward. You have fun, sir.
Thank you very much. Here we go. Oh my God. I had to use the brakes. This is too fast. Ah, I can't believe I've used the brakes. What a ninny. Oh. Josh, I actually did have to use the brakes on that. First time I've ever used the brakes on one of these. Did you use the brakes?
A little bit.
Ah. That was fun. That was good. That was good. And I was a chicken, I'm not gonna lie. Oh. I can't believe Ollie did that on his own. The journey back up's quite relaxing. Can I see any bears? No dancing. Wow. My God, that is steep. So that was Rail Runner. Rail Runner is the only single rail mountain coaster in America. I am not surprised this is the only single rail mountain coaster because it's blimmin' terrifying. I've never used a brake on a mountain coaster and I'm not ashamed to say I had to use the brake on there. The fella at the bottom called me a chicken and so be it. I am a chicken without a shadow of a doubt. Hands up. have been watching Munchy Road Hippopotamus. Thank you for joining us in our adventures. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy our channel, and tell us about any adventures that you have in the comments below. Get out there and explore your world.